In 2021, the military junta that unlawfully seized power has now reached the peak of its brutality. From bombing innocent civilians to cruelly targeting schools, their violence knows no bounds. On May 12, 2025, they bombed a school in Otangquin village, Sagaing region. Shortly after, they dropped another bomb directly on a temporary learning space at a house near the Myanmar border. Dozens of innocent students lost their lives, and several teachers were also killed. However, the education community standing with the CDM will not surrender under the boots of across Myanmar. To eradicate this fascist military dictatorship, we urge everyone for protection and safety of teachers, students, and schools to join the Safe School, Safe Education campaign. The revolution must prevail.